Hey traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? Happy Wednesday. Alright, it's our third trading day of January, third trading day of 2021. Got my coffee, so we're good. 81 pips overnight, 81 full position pips that is, because definitely a lot more pips were captured due to dynamic lot sizing and risk factors, etc. It all worked out to 8% overnight. 8.13, which is about 81.3 pips approximately. So that jumps us up into profit. We were just down a half of a percentage point. Pretty good way to start the year. We will go over these trades here. Hey Dwayne, yesterday we ended with the 13 pip manual trade. So this is where this is the whole session since overnight, I guess London Open. So it looks like we had a reversal on dollar Canada that did not work out. Euro dollar 1 minute trend that worked. Cable failed on a 1 minute trend. New Zealand dollar was a lot of stuff, right? New Zealand, we had a 1 minute trend long. We had a monster, which got a 1 and a 5 minute leg in. We had a breakout trade, and then we had a breakout 2, 5, 15, and 60. I disabled the 1 minute portions, but the 5, 15, and 60 there. So New Zealand dollar, a workhorse overnight. Euro lost a breakout 2 and a regular breakout. Now it did win a 1 minute trend. We got a little monster in later, which I closed out manually. I closed some of these later ones out manually once it was well over its growth target. So all these smaller targets here, starting with the 11 and up, I closed that out when I basically came to the platform and saw it had a good night. And then all these were open, but up well. So I was like, yeah, let's just take the profit on these guys. Let's take a look at what happened. Aussie dollar, breakout 2, looking for 23 pip target. It got it, right? 23.3, 23.0. That was the Aussie dollar breakout 2. So that was good. New Zealand dollar was looking for 25.4 on the breakout. Just a regular breakout. Breakout, there it is. Yep, 25 pips it got. Swing stock 1%. So that trade made 2%. It was a 2-to-1 risk reward on New Zealand dollar. That was a 2% trade right there. Alright, Aussie dollar 1 minute trend. That's this. 1%. 12 pips away. Aussie dollar, how many pips did it make on that 1 minute trend? 14. So it was what, risking 12, it made 14. That wasn't much of a risk reward. Alright, so yeah, overall pretty sweet day of trading.